back to my channel. If you guys are struggling or looking for how to create story highlight like the way you have it on Instagram, we have it now on TikTok. And you might see it come and go. This is mine showing on this particular profile that I manage. So let's see how we can do this. Let's try it. So we come to create story highlights. You say try it out, right? So it's rolling out gradually to so many people. Not everybody has it yet. So click on it. Then I'm just going to select some few videos. Click here. Click here. Click here. So this is all about House of 45. So here we go. So I'll say add 7. And I will say House of 45. So now you might not have option to have it everywhere. Now I need to, you can edit and change the image, like the cover. You can put a logo there. We can still do this later on. So there's no pressure in it, just like the way we have it on Instagram. So you can easily do this later on. I will say done. So that's it. I can just say create and that should be it. So later on I can come back to this, and so we have one there. So I can create more. After that, I'm just gonna scroll to, let's look for other videos that we've posted to our story before. I would say, like, let me just do a vlog. I think I posted a vlog about, yeah, this is one of the vlogs. Vlogs. So I'll say next. Vlogs. So I say created. So here we have highlights. Just like we have it on Instagram now, we already have it on TikTok, which is nice, which is great. Most people have been asking for this, but finally we have it on Instagram, on TikTok now. So you can create more, and I'm just gonna see what I can do to change this particular face. Let me see if I can create more highlights. Let me say for bookings and all of that. But anyway, let's see how effective or useful this particular highlight is to us. So if we come here and say, let's say we click on this.
I do eat rice a lot.
So you can see other videos
Lot.
that you've done before.
Just jumped
You
in
can
my
see
head
all of
about
other
the
videos you've done
DJ.
before.
Just jumped in my head about the DJ.
So
Do you understand? So
if you want
I'm
to
thinking
edit your highlights, you
that
can
easy
come
DJ.
to
You understand? And
edit
then what's
highlights,
called for 45.
remove
45 is just
story
all
from
about what's
highlights
called a dream that I
and all of
have.
that. You can
I've
delete the
always had this
highlights.
dream
So
from the
let's say
beginning
you
of
want
my
to add
career
this particular
where
highlight to your story. So let's say you want to re-promote or re-push the highlight to your story. So you just click on here.
just jumped in my head about the
And
DJ.
you click on
Do you
the three
understand?
dots
So
on the right here and you click
thinking
add to story. Then you can just say, let's just select one of the vlogs again. And you can say add 3. I think
that easy DJ.
it will
You
be posted to
understand? And
story.
then
Then
Ladies and gentlemen, in case you don't know,
so click on the 3 dots and say edit highlights. So you can re-edit the name or add more images or videos to your highlights. So let's say we want to add more. We had a poster. I want to look for one of the most interesting poster. Okay, let's use this. We'll say done. So we have that. If we want to create more, we can say create more. I'm just going to say I can just create one more. So this is just going to be strictly for bookings. There's bookings at Saints. This other place here. Let's just scroll and see if we can see more bookings. Okay, so we have that. So we just say bookings. Nice. Now, let's say we want to change or edit the looks or the logo of this highlights. What we can do is just to click on one of the highlights and say, I'll just click on it.
And I've been searching lately.
I'll just click on and say edit highlights. So I'll click here and select the image I want. But the crazy thing is you have to use one of the highlights you've already posted to do this. So you'll click done and say done. So that's how you do it. If you want to, let's say if you want to change it completely to a different image.
I do eat rice a lot. I like spag. I like egusi and
highlights. So you have to use a complete different image for it. So now we have, what we need to do now is just add the image from story. So let's come back here. Discord.
I was Copando or Semo.
I'll just come here. So I'll click here. I'll say House of 45. Let me see if I can crop this.
Your girlfriend, the mini baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, Cartier. Steel, Bolaji Suarez. Stones and the diamonds.
So we need to first edit this. Let's say Discord. Let's return back. Let's come back here and change House of 45 image and see. So I'll select this one. Right on here. Just edit this. Edit highlight. I'm gonna use this. Whoa, did I just delete that? Let's go look for it again. Say done. I'm just gonna edit her story. I'm gonna stretch this out because it's not gonna allow you to do what you want. So I say done. Okay, here we have it. Say done. Say done. And that is it. I'll return back. So basically this is how you have to do it. Then if you have to change the icon completely, you have to upload it completely. Like you're uploading a new story, so you can have it as your cover image. So most of you might be struggling to get this. If you are able to find this, good. If you don't have it, just wait. It's going to be rolled out to other users very soon. So if this helped you, let me know in the comment section. Smash the like button, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.